Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Season Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much. Your girl really does appreciate it, and welcome back. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Become a part of the Season Beauties family. And while you're in that general vicinity, go ahead and hit that notification bell so you'll be sure to know each and every time a new video is uploaded. Okay? Now, today, I want to ask you a question. Does anybody remember Destiny Godley? Let me tell you something. That lady right there is amazing with a makeup brush and, well, all things makeup. She has shared her skills with us. There are a lot of people who learn to do their makeup watching her, taking her classes, and yet didn't necessarily give her credit for it, but they've gone on to become YouTubers and the like. Okay, so she now has the Godly Glow. Okay, that is the name of her makeup line. So I made a purchase from her. Okay, and I would like to share that with you. It came in this beautiful packaging right here. Have to show you this side. The other side still has the shipping label on it, which has all of my information on it. And I'm not ready for y'all to be showing up at my house, okay? So just so you know. All right. So when you open it up, she has her business card inside. It says Destiny Godley, and it says Dark Skin Makeup Education. And her YouTube channel is the Godly Glow. And these makeup products that she has, and I don't even have all of them, I just have a couple. It's actually called Essential Beauty Products. And she also offers online makeup courses, okay? And she included these little gorgeous Melanin Sister stickers in here. These are gorgeous. These are absolutely gorgeous. And it makes you proud to see someone that looks like you on television, to see a sticker that actually has someone that looks like me, whose hair is like mine, okay? So that right there I'm very, very proud of. So let me just tell you the items that I ordered, and I'm going to show them to you. They were packaged very nicely, very nicely. She wrapped them each in this beautiful tissue paper. She placed each palette on the inside of a plastic bag, which I do reuse to keep my palettes in until I'm ready to put them away. She also included a thank you card. And let's just jump right into the makeup. Now, what I ordered was her palette. Now, let me just tell you, I can appreciate good customer service. I'm telling you, I can appreciate good customer service. That is what I used to do. I worked and I trained customer service reps. I can't necessarily tell you for who because I'm not allowed to share that information, okay? I'm not giving them any free advertisement, okay? But I will tell you, every single one of you use it every day, okay? So, the item that I ordered was her eyeshadow palette. Now, the reason I'm telling you about her customer service was because when I received my order, I got the wrong palette. This palette that I did receive is absolutely gorgeous though. Now, it has a mirror, but what I received was the blush palette. Look at these shades. Absolutely gorgeous. And it has highlighters as well as blushes. Now, I will let you know, I love me a nice burnt orange blush. For some reason, it really pops on a darker skin. So that is what is here. And that one is the first item. Then I purchased the lip pencil. Now, can we just appreciate a lip pencil? This pencil was $18. It's worth every penny. Do you see the size of this? This lip liner is in the shade brown. Every dark-skinned woman needs a brown lip liner. Trust me when I tell you. But not only that, it came with a pencil sharpener. Why? Because this is a very large pencil, and I'm pretty sure it would not fit into your average pencil sharpener unless you have the double one. If you have the double one, then yes, okay, it fits in that. But the average pencil sharpener, it does not. But I can appreciate that it was sent with the pencil. And as I said, $18. Then the other item that I received, and I appreciate her so, is this lip liner, and it's in the shade number 18 by Zanium, I believe is what it says, and it's a 1.5 gram size. And wait till you see this shade. Can you see that? That is such a beautiful, rich purple. Beautiful. Look at that. And you know what? While I'm swatching it, I might as well go ahead and swatch the brown so you can see what that looks like. That's the brown jumbo liner on the bottom. And the number 18, well, I guess if it's on the bottom, it would be this way. This is the brown, and this one is the purple. Okay? Then, right now, I'm about to show you what this eyeshadow palette looked like, and you will be able to understand and appreciate why I wanted this one so badly. Look at that. Look at those shades. And every shade in it is dark girl friendly. I've already reached out to her about doing a tutorial with me so that I can make sure I let it pop like she lets it pop, okay? And of course it does come with its mirror. Now I'm going to tell you some of the shades that she has. Pay attention right here. The next one down is Biscuits, Drip. This one is Dungarees, beautiful blue. This one is Honey. And this one is CMIIW. Then I have Investment, Garden, and Cola. Then Sky, Breakthrough, and Scuba. Now, I'm just going to swatch a couple of them because this Sky is calling. This is a beautiful black. So, I'm going to swatch that one. I'm going to swatch Investment, and I'm going to swatch Dungaree. Here we go. Right there. And we're going to go ahead and show it to you right here. Look at that color payoff. Look at that. Woohoo! Yes. Okay. So those are some of the shades that came in this eyeshadow palette. I'm loving the Godly Glow. I'm very, very proud of her. with what she is doing. I like the fact that she has graduated from makeup artist extraordinaire. She is also an instructor, and now she has the Godly Glow. Check her out. I will leave a link to her page down below. Just let her know I sent you, okay? What can I say? It speaks for itself. But I thank you so very much for choosing to spend some time with me on today as we show some love to the Godly Glow. Now, stay tuned for our create, review, and first impression of the items that we received in our Godly Glow collection. And I want to tell you, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today. And remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.